bird on the lawn. I think it must be a nightingale come over on the Cunard of the White Star Line. He's singing away. It's romantic, isn't it, Tom?
Yes, it is romantic. It had been a golden afternoon, and I remember having the familiar conviction that life was beginning over again with the summer. Was what preyed on him, what foul dust floated in the wake of his dreams.
Basis of Buddhist sort of belief of causality. All these are relative truth level, conventional truth level. So absolute means Buddhist sort of viewpoint. Absolute, ultimate absolute means even ultimate truth. That level should be something findable, that you can. So things are relative. So here, one way we do not accept absolute. If you accept absolute, that's one extreme. Then another extreme, nihilism. Nothing. That must be avoided. So there is reality. But nature of relative way.
Yes, sir. I figure between the ransom and this bank, you and I will be sitting in the fabled catbird seat.
Gail? Junior just had an accident.
What's that, partner?
He had himself a little accident.
What do you mean? He looks okay.
No, you see, we know where you are. He just went and had himself a little rest stop.
Well, that's natural.
Gail?
What now, little brother?
Smile at me. Smile at me.
Little sisters. People say we look like twins. I told that boy about it.
combination of that total euphoria and that ultimate fear. You're never as real as when you might die.
So compare something and short. Compare something long. So, half past, half future, no present. So we cannot find present. Without present, then there is no basis for past and future. So, without investigate such a way, generally we can say present. Present hour, 60 minutes. Period. Today, present day, 24 hours. Present month, 30 days. Is it? So present you. Billions of years. So everything.
Well, no. They got those tapettes already on there. It's self-contained and fairly explanatory. Funny shapes at all? Well, no. Unless round is funny. All right, man. Just lie down there. Yes, sir. 845. Then on back down to 0. 5, 6.
Till my lungs blister, spitting tongue twisters, work ethic incredible. Yeah, I'm from Pittsburgh. Got an intern go and grab me the swishers. Read a book to give her, analyze, Trandilfer. Wes Craven with less Satan, all hail Larry. The mess making of Homo sapien male fairies. I need more money, a little less dairy. Keep my bitches in the sanctuary, paying fairly. Jim Carrey, you more like Drew. I'm eating and you look a little more like food. You see, Satan was an angel before horns had grew. On my way up by La Brea, get a Norm tattoo. Beat that horn at you, bitch move. You look so confused. Yo, spent 10 million to ensure my motherfucking vocal cords. Good investment. I said I spent 10 million to ensure my motherfucking vocal cords. That's a good investment.
So this a motherfucking beat making, we breaking down, complete faded, I'm cremated now.
Clean up on aisle 7.
And when your dreams make a creation, well, I leave wasted to these sacred vows.
Spend a while with a run on sense.
It's the beat making, we breaking down, complete faded, I'm cremated now.
Clean up on aisle 7.
And when your dreams make a creation, well, I leave wasted to these sacred vows.
Spend a little bit of time with a run on sense.
And let it run. Let it run. Run as fast as you can, little sentence.
I never care what I do, so I always have a good time. When I was here last, I tore my gown on a chair and that's my name. Gatsby, of course. In a week, I got a package from Warrior with a new evening gown in it. Sure, I said I was gonna wear it. It's too big in the buns, it had to be all. Blue with lavender theme, $265. There's something funny about fellas who do it just like that. He doesn't want any trouble with anything. Guys, somebody told me
I have a question. I've been pondering in my cabin, thinking in the jungle, the carnivore is head predator.